mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working with UNice again. They sent me this time their big deep wave wig. It is in 24 inches and it is 180 density. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and yes, this hair is summer, vacation, staycation, everycation, tropical, like everything you could think about that has to do with the sun shining bright on you friendly. These waves are literally gorgeous. It's like a hybrid mix between a deep wave, loose deep wave. So now we have the big deep wave, and I am so here for it. This wig is actually really nice and soft. It's perfect for the summertime as it is very lightweight, and that is something I definitely need in the summertime because I literally got a wake-up call when I went to the beach the other day in a 250 density wig, and the sun was beaming on me. No, you don't need that. All you need is 150 density that's not super duper thick, and it's just full, perfect, natural looking, and this is literally it. So this is like the perfect wig for the summertime, and it's super affordable, might I add. If you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase, and do so. And let me go ahead and stop rambling and let's jump into this video so I can show you guys how to put your wig on. So when you get your wig, just come back to this video and install with me. So let's get into it. So you could definitely leave your hair like this. It's perfect like this if you're a no baby hair type of girl, but I'm gonna go ahead and add baby hairs. Recently I've been just using some liquid mousse with a toothbrush and the comb from the, you know, the edge brush comb combo to do my edges. It was weird at first, but I was like, wait, I prefer this over actual real mousse. So I've been using like the Fantasia liquid mousse, and it's been working wonders. So let's go ahead and do the edges. Okay, so now that I am finally done with diffusing, baby hairs, putting the wig on, cutting the lace, all of that, let's get into the actual wig. This wig is from UNice Hair. As you can see from the title, it's their big deep wave wig in 24 inches. It's a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it is also 150 density. This wig is definitely gonna get bigger over time, meaning when it's finished being air dried. I did go in and diffuse, but I didn't want to diffuse too much because I'm loving like the wet or damp curl look it's giving, and I'm so here for it. So yeah, if you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. Let me just jump in real quick and talk about shedding. This is the amount of shed hair that I got from this wig, so literally not too much. It wasn't like any crazy excessive amount of hair, and I love that. You know, I usually say any hair with waves or curls is definitely gonna shed, but the shedding that I expected versus what I got is so good. Like, it's not too crazy where I'm like, oh yeah, I was expecting this. No, I'm actually surprised that this hair didn't shed much. So kudos to UNice for always putting their best foot forward when it comes on to these gorgeous textured wigs. And again, this is their big deep wave texture. It's actually like a new texture, and I'm loving this. It's like a mixture between loose deep wave, and a bit of water wave, and I'm loving it. This is definitely vacation friendly, and as you guys seen me do the glueless install, all you have to do is adjust the bands in the back to your liking, adjust the clips and the combs, cut them out if you need to, and just put your wig on. I definitely took advantage of the liquid mousse to just ensure that the sides are like actually down, and once you use your blow dryer on hot on the sides, once you do your liquid mousse, you're good to go, girl. Like, this wig is literally glueless. What lace who? So I love this unit, and if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And that is pretty much it for today's video. So thank you so much to UNice for sending me this gorgeous wig. If you'd like to see pictures, definitely go ahead and check out my Instagram. And if you'd like an update on this wig, definitely let me know in the comments below, and I will give you guys an update. And that is all for today. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one.